Ciao amici! Today I'm so excited to share with you my Skinny Fettuccine Alfredo. Yes, you can have all the creamy comfort but without the guilt. This recipe is quick and easy and honestly it tastes like a hug from Nonna. Alright, let's get cooking. I start with fettuccine, but you can use any pasta you like, even whole wheat or gluten-free. Cook it in salted water until it's al dente tender, but with a little bite. Now, here's my secret for making it light, but still creamy instead of heavy cream. I use low-fat milk and a little bit of cream cheese. Trust me, nobody's gonna know. In a pan, melt a tiny bit of butter, just enough for flavor. Add minced garlic. Let it sizzle for a minute. Ah, that smells so good. Pour in your milk. Whisk in the cream cheese until it's smooth. A little grated parmesan for that real Alfredo taste, but just enough to keep it skinny. Stir, let it thicken only a few minutes. Now toss in your cooked pasta. Mix, mix, mix. Let every strand get coated in that luscious sauce. Sprinkle with black pepper, a touch more parmesan if you like, and some fresh parsley. Ecco, Skinny Alfredo, ready in 15 minutes. I promise, you won't miss the calories, just the guilt. Perfect for a weeknight or when you want to impress your family but still eat healthy. If you enjoyed this recipe, amici, make sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching and welcome to Global Family Cookbook. Don't forget to hit that bell so you never miss a tasty, healthy recipe from my kitchen to yours. Grazie mille and buon appetito!